Can you use a brush on your short beard? Yes, you can, and you should be the very beginning of your beard growth. Hey guys, what's going on? Scott Barnes here, and there's a great topic for you guys of having a short beard, and is it time for you guys to roll out the rolling brush? Now, y'all know when the beard is growing out in the beginning, the itch is real, and I'm going through that as well, and yes, beard oil is helping out, but surprisingly, the barrel brush is gonna be a big game changer for you guys, not only in the feel, but the look as well. Now, for a good example, if I go and ruffle up some of my beard hair, yeah, you can really tell a difference. And using a barrel brush, in my opinion, going and rolling down can make it look a lot better, right? And on top of that, not only are you rolling out your beard, but you're giving your skin a little bit of exfoliation as the barrel bristles go ahead and hit the skin and actually exfoliate the skin itself. Plus, you're almost giving your beard a massage. And on top of that too as well, have you guys seen those rolling blades that go over the skin? Now, I don't think this is a microderm help on that situation, but yes, when you do exfoliate your skin and you give it that activation, science has proven just a little bit that it can give your hair a little bit of stimulation and growth. So this is a great direction for you and your beard to go by using some tools in your game. And I really enjoyed this one myself. Like I said, the barrel brush is one of my biggest game changers when it came to hairstyle and beard style. The boar bristle brush is great, but once again, you are limited to the fact of the direction and the roll itself. And the best part about it is not only can you brush down, but you can roll as well, giving your beard hair direction. And that's one big thing about the beard growth is giving your beard a training regimen, and it also goes with your mustache as well. That's why we have these products. So as your beard is growing out, it is giving direction of where you want it to go. So use those tools that can help us out through the beard growth journey, as I am going through it as well. And it is itchy and uncumbersome, but we will get there. And of course, past the awkward stage, and which is my favorite part of the beard growth, because once you pass that hurdle, once you get past that month, that second month, everything starts to lay in place and you've got this great looking beard and everybody starts just kind of gravitating towards you and asking you questions. It's just a great thing. And plus you kind of look like a badass. Yes, that's true. So let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite brush? What's your favorite products? What you guys like to use to help your beard look and get to that next level of beard growth. All right, you guys, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the flip side. See ya.